Breaking news: 6 SSBDF soldiers killed in deadly UPDF ambush near Kajo-Kaji. Border, regional tensions escalate. Kajo-Kaji, South Sudan, Uganda border Monday, August 4, 2025. In a shocking escalation of cross-border hostilities, the Uganda People's Defense Force, UPDF, launched a deadly ambush on South Sudan. People's Defense Forces, SSBDF, soldiers early Monday morning near the volatile Kajo-Kaji border region. The ambush left 6 SSBDF soldiers dead and several others reportedly wounded, in what observers are calling one of the most serious military confrontations between the two neighboring nations in recent years. Black Small Square, a border flashpoint, turns into a killing field. According to eyewitnesses and military sources in Kajo-Kaji, the UPDF attacked a patrolling SSBDF unit within South Sudanese territory, triggering a fierce exchange of gunfire. The ambush caught the SSBDF unit off guard as they moved along a contested zone between Uganda and South Sudan, an area long fraught with border tensions, disputed land claims, and accusations of unauthorized military incursions. This is a clear act of aggression, a senior SSBDF officer in Central Equatoria told local media under condition of anonymity. Our men were operating within our borders, and they were slaughtered without warning. Uganda must be held accountable. Black Small Square tension mounts between Juba and Kampala. The deadly encounter has sparked alarm in both capitals. South Sudanese authorities are reportedly drafting a strong diplomatic protest to Uganda, while military units near the border have been placed on high alert in anticipation of further escalation. Ugandan officials have not yet issued a formal response, but sources within Kampala's security circles claim the clash may have stemmed from unidentified armed elements operating near the border, a claim South Sudanese officials have dismissed as a cover-up. Black Small Square civilians flee as fear grips Kajo-Kaji. Residents in Kajo-Kaji have begun fleeing the area in large numbers, fearing retaliation or renewed fighting. Local leaders have urged both governments to immediately de-escalate and initiate joint investigations to prevent further bloodshed. We cannot afford another war, said a Kajo-Kaji community elder. This border has seen enough suffering. The deaths of these soldiers must not be in vain. Black Small Square regional stability at risk. The incident threatens to destabilize already fragile relations between South Sudan and Uganda, two nations whose militaries have cooperated in the past, especially in counterinsurgency operations against rebel groups. Analysts warn that if not managed quickly, this could spiral into a wider conflict with dangerous implications for the region. The African Union, AU, Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, and UNMISS are being urged to intervene swiftly and mediate before the situation deteriorates further.
Mala medit, mala. Achela tedalong katadung kwa kelkanewama. Achena ban kaya kalarum paitop. Lartini kona kan tove wujatama kajuba. Atega tingwande togalang nini dial duno duta nat chicken gamal ngajano ngukan nguwetna. Neng kona kabwang ni sidot jok chikuma sa Sudan ke kuma makap ka kona salpa ke mayadit che chamli bejalong ke jagatawano ke doide ke harle dor ken kana kanaga ka. Namo chamli bejalong gor ke yawar gang tumwan ne diala kona lot kamal ke neda kona gor kamandung sa Sudan. Achakan tala muwalat ka tindiala kona ya jaka kwana salpa ke mayadit. Nai kona no kwan salvo ke mea dit ilane ka diala lada. Dino misha nong la ne de tie ke jato. Balera mo becho goro no bela let. Man kulu tuwa mi yandanon no. Namane misha tuwak ka manchi ka korondane chirom. Ka border dung Uganda kena South Sudan. Ka kacho keji. Ariakan chitwakten awaicha deni in South Sudan chaka ambush deni Uganda kajantan chaka ambush keja chani di coba kali chaka na gradient kan deni South Sudan do not tell them lat ke tin kon la deni Uganda ino mo amise talk ka gat kwarne ni Museveni من لا شالي general مهازي den raintila kon gala raintila la de ka teacher dia riune to mala kan ko mala jek retila gora den te dor gora no kon chine ngon ka gang du din kwarn sal pu ke me yadit na mo cha gor ka tam linda adeno to anta me cha wat ko ki ko beneding yech tie beneding on the lorada ko dilat na mo ajan kula koran tama nay ko na tege tuwan to ala kore wi ka sa Sudan dini ka en Uganda kare wi ka sa Sudan gankan sa Sudan jan ramu ko ala lim ni jako moine ka mait moine ke dini tibi dini ko blok ka koran dan tegaten ammi jin lelingi ke jaramo ramu din long da ke je te ka mait ti dini kan ka maiko mi jeni nye yan de koro lo de koro de long ramona siran koro de lo na mo ajana jan mi seman to watama akam win mi chala sa Sudan kena Uganda kataj de ni ken chigarum keja ka boda anton ma kan de ni Uganda awa chiga bare wait sa Sudan ka peng mi chup ka peng mobile kilometer ni ti wal de chawanem lai chiga bare wait sa Sudan chiga we den chikana ba chiga wan medin mi pek chope da kilometer wal de chiga bare re we ka sa Sudan nei kono no gadura mijal musebeni minjale mohazi telamela telamugam mala lade akariat ke diala kono kwa lade and to talk kana to wantama akabodor dung sa Sudan anay kono koro te tanisha net ne dial taraira kan chikor charumten ay chajala da noi siga jian kan dial teramu moten ne do kono chiangan guamo kanete kono la dinne antel ramu dang me al mi chiangan guamo chine dial chiga podan guamo ay chiga ro bargwana to kono bikawa tekten anamo ajana to ka ajan la rodan tama are we ka sa Sudan ka kwijamo yerle an ko dialan link kray kajan chanalama atelo ida lon kaye ami jara mutong ben gore jano di bona ma di jagor ke DJ subscribe en chanalama akami jara mutatenon ala ne telo ida long kata nang ku chanalama ku support ke jan siang ka bendu ko labi ko gler tun kono huneka abiga beling dene lar wano kon lar dialan la ne kejan chanalama atala kaineten lane agoro no bine ke lar mishine lingo go kachine ngajan ojan amishe talk achine agoro no bine no lerte la lar kaine lar diala bine ke no yan gwam ngad jano ke lar te talk akachiga talk wetken ka kwijamo nyog lapsiti ka manukutin kan chanalama kana nejak akachu e parwe jano di bidem di jalak ke di moy kayat ke di ne moy kesam ka kwijamo te loy da long kata dun kel kane ya temal